Excellent.
Okay.
Okay, keep on practicing, keep on reading and learning new things, Muhammad. All the best.
Thank you.
Kishore,
So
it's
much.
your turn. It's okay. Kishore, I think we have already discussed this particular thing while we were alone. You, Kishore, and one more person by the name, I don't know. It was start with Pankaj, I think. His name was Pankaj. I don't know. I usually he's not joining this session nowadays. We three of us we have discussed this particular topic apart from the daily conversation. Do you remember that where I share my personal opinion? I already told you that many women will be against me talking to these kind of things because they are totally different. Nowadays they think that both women should do work. They should walk hand in hand. So I think you remember that, Kishore. When all the students left, we three have discussed this particular topic separately. I don't know how it comes suddenly in our tongue or in our mind. Kishore, are you there? Oh, he has written, yeah. Please unmute yourself and speak. Or else I have to. Okay, I think he's busy by the time.
Yeah.
Who is that person stand with a name PP?
PP.
Usually, no. At first, he has just a picture of AI generated. Then he uploaded his actual image later. He used to join with different IDs. Do you remember him? Let me check. Nowadays, I'm not in contact with him. He used to play Veena, something. He loved to play music, and he was searching job. I don't know. He's the one who created a group by the name Learning Enthusiast. He is the owner of that particular group. Where is he? I don't know. He vanished, or else I don't know where he is right now. Okay, let's leave. Okay, by the time, let me take a brief introduction of the new person by the name Learner. Learner, are you student working? Learner? Learner. Am I audible to you? Welcome, Charu. Welcome again. Charu, you left early yesterday. Not yesterday. I think day after yesterday. I want you to listen to the conclusion at the end because conclusion is the important and the crucial part of the debate.
I know, but my time limit was over.
Oh, okay, I got you. You know, there are some people when the time limit is over, they usually join my session with the help of new ID. They are joining my session with a new ID. I don't know how they arranged to create a second ID on this particular application. Okay, Charo, what's your opinion on today's topic? Should men and women have equal responsibilities at home or not?
At home?
Yeah. Or else you can share more.
Actually, I don't know because our responsibility are divided. Because like if it will be equal, then we got some problems because the because we are not equal, I think. I never thought about it. Like how it can be possible. Because if we have just 24 hours to do our work. If we do everything, like when we will enjoy ourselves?
Charu, do you understand today's debate topic? Do you want me to explain the debate topic?
Okay, explain.
Okay, for the new person, Salim, Learner, and Charu, let me explain today's debate topic. Afterwards, you have to speak for 1 minute. So today's debate topic is, should men and women have equal responsibilities at home? Means, for example, as you can see in today's modern generation, okay, The question whether men and women should share equal responsibilities at home has sparked many debates. Traditionally, you can see that household chores and caregiving to the children were considered the women's domain, while men focus on earning a livelihood income. However, you can see these evolving gender roles. Many now believe that both should equally contribute to household chores responsibilities. So, what do you think? Do you think yes or no? And why no? You have to explain, and why yes? You have to explain. You have to elaborate your answer, your opinion.
Uh, Okay, but nowadays men are also doing household work and women are also doing outside work, like they are in construction side, other IT